Horton is a sweet elephant from the Horton Hears a Who book by Dr. Seuss. He's got a look that's all his own and is not that hard to draw when you take it one step at a time. Hi, my name's Kathy. I'm an art teacher and I've been teaching kids how to draw for more than 20 years. Why don't you grab a pencil and some paper and we can draw Horton together. Here's a quick note before we start. I like to draw with center pencil guidelines on my paper. They really do help me draw big and use the whole page. I'll also be following this step-by-step tutorial, which you can download from my website for free with the link below. Step number 1. Let's start by drawing a large oval which the head and legs are going to be attached to. To help you see where that oval fits on the paper, lightly draw a top and bottom mark, and also a left and right one. Place your pencil at the top, lightly draw a curve down through that side mark, and then gently curving to the bottom one. Then go back to the top and do the same on the right side. When you're done, you should have a big round oval shape. Step number 2. The head now starts with a large egg shape and we'll add a trunk afterwards. Start at the top and lightly draw a kind of tilted looking egg that should touch the large oval but look like it's leaning to the left just a little bit. Step number 3. Now we're going to add that trunk and this will start to look a little more like an elephant. Place your pencil near the bottom of that egg shape and slowly draw it down to make a large J, and then go back up and smoothly connect to the other side of that egg shape. When this is done, be sure to erase the lines inside like I'm doing here. Step number 4. The ears come next, and they actually kind of look like wings to me. Place your pencil at the top of the head, draw a curve that goes up and then down, swings to the left a little bit before ending with a scalloped line at the bottom. When that ear is finished, be sure to erase any lines that are inside. Now we can draw the right ear, which also has a curve at the top and a scalloped line at the bottom. Place your pencil at the top of the head, draw a large curve that goes up and comes down, swings out to the right, and comes back with the line that has about 3 scallop shapes. Step number 5. This is an easy step, just adding some of the details inside those big ears. Start by adding an inside edge, then add a few squiggles for wrinkles. When one side is done, then do the same for the other ear. Step number 6. Now Horton needs just a few details to finish his face. He has a tuft of hair at the top of his head, and some eyebrows, and closed eyes with kind of long eyelashes. Notice that his eyes are pretty close to the top of his head. Adding a smile to Horton's face is now actually pretty easy too. Just draw a line where you want the smile to end, then erase the rest of the headline like I'm doing here, and finish with a few more lines. We can also add a few wrinkles to his trunk. It's time to start adding legs to Horton's body, and we can begin with this front one. Place your pencil near the middle of the body, draw a line down to make one side, and then the other, and finish the bottom with a curved foot shape, and some toe lines. Afterwards, be sure to erase any body lines that are inside. Step number 7. Now the other front leg is added, and it is turned in a bit in a cute way. Place your pencil on the body, draw a line down, then draw what you see of the other side of the leg, and finish with the curved foot and a few wrinkle lines and toe lines. Step number 8. The last leg to add is the large back one. Start inside the body near the back, draw the curve up and down to make his knee, then draw the other side with a straight line, and finish with a curved foot and toe lines. And of course, be sure to erase any body lines inside this foot too. Finally, Horton kind of has a funny shaped tail, which is easy to add in the back. with just a few squiggly lines like this. Step number 9. Okay, the drawing is done, so it's time to trace all of those lines with a black marker, just like real cartoon artists do. As always, when the tracing is done, take a moment to erase any pencil lines that are still showing. And it's coloring time. Luckily, gray crayons are pretty see-through, so you can just color right over everything inside Horton's body. And finally, we need a background color. The Horton books have a lot of orange in them, so I'm going to use that. And here is my finished drawing of Horton. That wasn't so hard to draw now, don't you think? At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find hundreds more art lessons, which over the years have helped millions of kids learn how to draw. There's one for drawing the Lorax and the Cat in the Hat. I hope you try them out too. See you next time.